Good morning to all of you. Today I am gonna to tell you that how to install MongoDB, because nowadays MongoDB is very powerful and good application for website and database in for backend. So now today we will discuss about how to install and then how to work on MongoDB. So let's begin. So first what you need to do, first you have to search on MongoDB download from official website. Don't need to download from anywhere else, because if you will download from any website, so definitely you will face some problem. So don't need to install from anywhere, just go official website and install from that. Okay, if you are not finding, so definitely I'll go your link from my video description, you can download from there. Okay, just you can see here, this is an interface of my laptop, this is my PC. So you can see and how we are installing MongoDB, and as well as many database we will discuss about in my next session. So don't skip the video, continue please watch. And then now first you have to go in MongoDB official website, and then you have to go in given below available download 5.6. this is a current version according to your window, whether your laptop or window, whether your laptop desktop is in your laptop desktop PC, Windows operating system, Mac operating system, or any Linux, any other things. According to your operating system you have to download. And then here window you can see MSI and zip, so according to your suitable you can download from here. And download option you have to click your download, and then it will start from download. It will start, definitely it will start. And then you have to make good connection, good internet connection. And then because I have already done this thing, I have installed this thing, so I will not install again. Just I am gonna show you, that's why I am doing this thing. So just open your laptop and just press Ctrl J, and then open your file location .exe file. This is a main file. Just go on, click, just you have to do run as administration, don't like any other thing, you have to run as administration. And then it will, this pop-up will be open in front of you, and you have to do next, and according to your suitable you have to check on there, and then it will be download. And then you have to press your window key, and then you have to search on MongoDB, then it will be start. And now I'm gonna inside my box and inside my application. After done this thing, you have to go on your MongoDB Compass and then connect your local server. Just click on here, just this is a icon, this is connect, and you have to connect, and then it will be connect from your local host. What is local host, do you know? If you don't know, so I'll discuss about on my next session. And there are many type of location and many type of option will be here, so you can watch. Just create a database, view, performance, connect, view, many more options are there. Okay, so don't need to worry about that. Definitely we will try to, and my level best I'll try to make you understand. Okay, and then what you have to need, just you need to make your database, and then in your database we have to make a table. Just you can see documents. Now you can see here many more databases are created here. There is no need to create for me, but if you don't have database in your MongoDB, so just go and create your database first. And then you can see here we have a admin database, college database, demonstration database, Praveen name database. So just according to your suitable you have to do this thing. Then you have to open your command prompt and you have to search your MongoDB. But in some cases, some environment problem, there will be not open, it will be say just like open or and external, there is not external command, this type of error will be shown. So don't need to worry about that. Just go in your main file where you have installed your main file .bin file. If you are any problem, so just watch properly what I am doing. Just your go in your bin folder and just copy that path, and then copy that path and come in your command prompt, and just inside a double quotation just you have to paste your that link, and in that link you have to write one more thing. Don't forget this line, just remember, just concentrate what I am saying. Just you have to write mongodb.exe, then enter, and then your mongodb will be start. And then if you want to check your version, so in inside 2 hyphen value and 2 hyphen you have to give in 2 hyphen, and then you have to write version, it will be come. Okay, and you have to already, if you want to know about cell version, which version I am using by cell, you can watch and you can search without any problem. Now I am in my command prompt, and now you have to open your database. So just write here, so dbs, just don't forget line, I am using on my system laptop, so just watch carefully. And here so dbs, and then enter, it will be open automatically, there is no any problem, don't worry. Admin configuration, many 3 or 4 already database created by default route by MongoDB. And then how to use this thing, so you have to just write use your database name, just I have written use my college database name. Okay, and then you will be automatically come in switch to db college, and then again you have to enter your db database name. Don't write database name, just you have to write db dot your file name. What you have to do, because you have to make your table name, because it's already created database, now you have to put your file name, you can say table name, and how to be write file name. Okay, sorry, not file name, you can say table name. Okay, db dot table name dot insert one, don't forget point to be noted, point blank, don't miss this video. Here you have to write db dot electronic dot insert one. Okay, here we have to use insert, and then when e1 it is a capital. Okay, don't forget. And then you have to open your square bracket, and then you have to write your curly braces, and then just like dictionary you have to write something whatever you want. Okay, don't forget, just I have written, you can say name, and then name, and then age and marks, and then we will enter. Just you can see here I have given some mistake. So first you have, if you want to use your cell, so just you have to remove your mongodb.exe, just without mongo.exe file you have to enter your, and then it will be created. Here we have to write acknowledge true, inserted id object id, it is a written, it means your table inserted without any problem, without, it's a successfully, it's a created. Now I will create my next value in table. Okay, and now you have to watch inserted id, here we have to write name, so this is a object id. Okay, this is a object id, don't need to worry about that, just focus on my video. And now I will start my second table, and then how we are using this thing. So guys, just wait, and now I'll make my new video, I will make my new video in next session, just related PostgreSQL, Oracle SQL, and if you want, so definitely we will start Python, so don't need to worry about that, just focus here and what I am saying and what I am doing. And then you have to write your show database, and then definitely it will come out again. Now you can see here, this is a two table names, and Pradeep and Praveen's name automatically come by in table whatever I have run right now, and then it will come again something. And I want to tell you one more thing again, because here you have to write db dot table name dot find dot pretty, because you know this is using JSON file, XJSON file. So in XJSON file it is an unstructured type of data, because here in, if you want introduction of MongoDB, so definitely I'll upload one more video, but here just you need to understand what I'm saying. Just you have to ID name Praveen, many more thing in came in unstructured type of things, okay, not structured type of thing, unstructured type of things came in my window, okay, so it will come automatically unstructured type of things, so don't need to worry about that, just focus. Now we will come in next video with next good things and next session. तब तक के लिए बाय.